Hey everyone. I forgot to film an intro for this video like before we went riding. So we're just gonna pretend right now that this is an intro like before the ride, right? Ready? All right, hey everybody. So I'm going to Anderson Trails again. I'm going with my buddy Kellen and his brother. Rode there once before, but we had a tow up, so it's probably gonna be like a gnarly climb, but like I hope I can make it. Like I don't know how tough it's going to be on just the acoustic bike, right? And then once we're up there, there's like a big road gap that I really want to hit, and like I hope I have the guts to hit that, and if I do, I hope it goes well. I don't know if it will. All right, was that convincing? Anyway, here's some footage from that ride. Nice. Checking this line. Oh, that's almost a drop. Oh, that is sketchy. That is so sketchy. Oh my God.
Oh, oh, I hate it. Oh, I hate it so much. Maybe there is speed for it. Okay. Cleared the double.
Force it.
Yeah, but I want it. I always feel like stuff like this, when you actually like go for it, it's not nearly as bad as like staring at it. Because that's nothing.
It's also easier to follow into somebody who's done it too, to get led into it.
Yeah.
It's like,
I actually even did a little brake check coming into that one.
but if you're, if somebody knows it, then you can at least.
Well, that's the one that I think is like, do I brake check? Because I want as much speed coming out of that.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. All right. I got this. It's fucking terrifying. Okay. All right, dropping. Ha! Nice! Oh, hell yeah! Dropping. I don't recall which way.
I think they went. Oh, yeah. I remember there was one spot they didn't finish it.
Yeah, it looks like they may have here. Oh, this is fucking cool. Oh, this is rad. Oh shit, that's okay. That's sick. Oh, super mellow. Yeah, making that turn's the harder part.
Oh, making that one too.
Yeah.
That's like a drop.
Nice. Yeah, that one's more of a drop.
Oh, that's a tight little turn with that drop.
Yeah, what a cool little, like,
Pretty sick though.
what a fun line. I like it. And then, yeah. Some nice berms though. Oh, what a beautiful berm that is. Oh yeah, it joins right up here. Yep. Whoa. Whoa. Oh.
Got the alt line that time.
Yeah, I followed you through it and I didn't realize it. And you hopped into it and I was like, shit.
Remember to check speed and go a little slower that time. And I was like, oh yeah.
I'm just following your line, so I hope it's a good one. Oh. That's fun. What an absolutely rad ride today. I'm fucking gassed. It's probably like 3,000 feet of climbing. I don't know how many miles, but yeah, good day. Fun trails. Really stoked I got that road gap. I looked at it last time, just wasn't feeling it. But today obviously I was. So fucking pumped. The tuck totally works.